So in the way of introduction to this video series, we're just going to be talking about, first of all, self-generating and self-updating LMS. We're also going to be talking about the standards that are based on fractal curriculum structures. This is really a key to automation. So here's a depiction of fractal curriculum, and we'll talk about that. Then AI generation and skills-focused learning and for contextual learning, right? So those are two different animals. Then we have the AI IDE, the legacy system that GEC has been using. So this is multi-prompting to create different types of content. Then we have a next generation system. A project that we have is called DataBlock, where these are a node-based AI multi-prompt system. Basically, DataBlock arose out from the GEC system. And then we want to talk about Generation 1 learning environments, and then Generation 2 learning environments, and Generation 3 learning environments. So this is more towards AI, what has become possible in the last year or two. We also want to talk about then the classical learning assets, and are they obsolete now? Do we have to throw them out, or can we use them to add to our value proposition even though we're moving into next generation stuff? Then a review on the 4 different perspectives of fractal curriculum: the theoretical perspective, ebooks, visualization and conversation mode, and I suppose exploration mode, and then also a writing trainer and essay builder. Then we want to talk about modular engines here, and modularity and asynchronicity and automation, learning automation based on learning cycles. Okay, so the modular problems give rise to the modular engines, which together give rise to the learning cycles. And then the adaptive path and the weakest skills. So these are 2 different adaptive systems. We want to also talk about what we call these virtuous cycles of improvement. A more theoretical overview, and this is drilling more deeply into specifically how we accomplish what we call the self-generating and self-updating learning management systems. Finally, system dynamics and control theory in education. So how do we apply some of the tools of modern engineering and physics and mathematics into the problem of learning and human development?